Hey everybody, so another exciting tutorial. This one's going to be on radical equations level 1. These are pretty super simple, so hopefully this will be quick. Alright, let's go to that one. Okay, and so we see that we have a radical equation, which is pretty easy to spot because it has a radical in it. There's a radical right there. And this says 3x plus 13 plus 5 equals 10. All right, to solve this, we are going to have 3 steps. So step 1 is going to be to adjust stuff. We got to get all the numbers on one side. Then we are going to square it. So we're going to adjust. And then we're going to square both sides. And then we're just going to solve. Then we're going to solve for x with your awesome algebra skills. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. So let's get rid of our 3 steps here, since we're going to repeat those. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is adjust. So we want the radical on one side and everything else on the other. All right, which means we're going to have to subtract 5 from this side and subtract 5 from that side. And we are going to get a 5 here. That's going to go away. And then we are going to have 3x plus 13. All right, and that is step 1, adjust. All right, step 2 is square both sides. All right, so square both sides, here's what we're going to do. You don't need to draw this, but I'm going to draw it just to make sure you understand what's happening. All right, we're going to take that whole thing and we're going to square that, and we're going to take this whole side and we're going to square that. So we're squaring both sides. So this is one of our laws of equality. If we square both sides, it's the same as other things we do to both sides. For instance, like here, we subtracted from both sides to make the equations balanced. Here, we're going to square both sides and the equations will still be balanced. Well, the good news is when you square a radical, you end up with whatever is inside. So the radical goes away and we end up with 3x plus 13. And of course, 5 squared is 5 times 5, and so that's 25. All right, so that is step 2, square both sides. And now all we have to do is solve this. Step 3, using our awesome algebra skills, we are going to solve this. So we're going to subtract 13 from this side and subtract 13 from that side. And we get a 12. This goes away. So now it says 3x equals 12. And we divide both sides by 3. And we get x equals 4. All right. So x equals 4. So let's go back over to our other side here, and we're going to say that our answer is 4. Submit answer. Yes. Green check. Awesome. All right. And you can check here with the steps that they're showing you, and those are the same steps we used. Good luck with these.